Hi everyone! Good evening! First Ilocano video for 2016 and let's learn about Adday and Awan. But first, if you haven't seen the last two videos, how to say I have and I don't have, Adda and Awan, you can visit the suggested video on top or below Awan and Adda. And also the last video, Awanen and Addan. You can also find the link below or just click the suggested video on top here. And let's have, before we go to Adday and Awan, first let's have examples of, let's do a little review of Awan and Adda. I have and I don't have. Do you have a car? Adda lugan mo? Adda. I have or I have a car. Adda lugan ko. Adda balay mo? Do you have a house? Adda. Or Adda balay ko. I have a house. Adda kwartam. Do you have money? Adda. Adda kwartak. Do you have money? Awan. Awan kwartak. Or I don't have money. Awanen and Addan. Awanen, you have it before, but now you don't have it. Awanen. In Tagalog, wala na. And Addan, you don't have it before, but now you have it. Addan. Addan. Or in Tagalog, meron na. Another example, let's say you want to ask someone, are you still taking a bath? Agdigdigos ka pa'y? Agdigdigos ka pa'y? Or maybe you wanna ask, have you taken a bath? Nagdigos kan? Nagdigos kan? And if you are that someone and you want to answer, not yet. Haan pa'y? Haan pa'y? And last example, let's say that you thought someone already left for work, but turned out he or she's still home and you wanna say, you're still here? Adadtoy ka pa'y? Adadtoy ka pa'y? And if you're that someone and you want to say, or you want to answer, yes, I'm still here. Wen, adadtoyak pa'y? Wen, adadtoyak pa'y? Adadtoy ka pa'y? Wen, adadtoyak pa'y? That's all for tonight. On the next video, let's learn how to express or say already or now in Ilocano. Bye!